In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to work faster. We'll walk through a simple, practical flow so you can see how Notion AI fits into your everyday workspace, especially when you're working inside a database. By the end, you'll know how to open a database item, start from a blank page or a template, and use Notion AI to quickly draft and refine content. First, start by opening the database where you want to work. This might be a content calendar, a tasks database, or a projects board. From your Notion sidebar or home view, navigate to that database and open it so you can see all the entries laid out in a table, board, or list. Next, choose one of the entries and click Open. This brings up the full page for that database item instead of just the inline preview. Working in the full page view gives Notion AI more room to generate and format content clearly, which will make everything easier to manage. When the page opens, Notion will prompt you with a message that says something like, "Press Enter to continue with an empty page," or pick a template. At this point, you have two options. If you know you want to build everything from scratch with AI, press Enter to start with a blank page. If you prefer some structure, you can browse templates using the arrow keys and choose one that matches your use case. Once you're inside the page, click into the body area and start typing your prompt. In this example, we'll imagine you're working on content highlights, so you might type a word like highlight. This doesn't have to be perfect. You're simply giving Notion AI a starting point so it can suggest helpful actions. As you type, Notion will surface a suggested AI option. Click on that. This opens up the Notion AI panel, where you'll see different actions you can take, such as drafting content, summarizing, or transforming text. From here, choose the Draft Anything boss option. This is a flexible starting point where you can ask Notion AI to create a first draft for you. You might again type highlight or a short description of what you need, like highlights for a campaign or project. You'll also see template-style prompts such as social media planning. Clicking one of these gives Notion AI more context and a structure tailored to that use case, which can speed things up even more. If the result isn't what you're looking for, you can click Cancel to close the AI output and adjust your prompt. When you're happy with what Notion AI generates, click Accept to insert the content directly into your page. From there, you can edit, reorganize, or expand it as needed, using AI as your assistant to keep refining and speeding up your workflow.